Hello everyone, let's review the lesson. Lesson 3. Story. A. Talk about the pictures, then listen and read. Are you okay? Are you okay? Ready, set, go. Oh no. Ouch. What's wrong? My leg hurts. Are you okay? Are you okay? I think so. Thanks. B. Listen and number. 1. Ready, set, go. 2. Ouch. 3. What's wrong? My leg hurts. 4. Are you okay? I think so. Thanks. C. Sing. Are you okay? Oops. Ouch. What's wrong? Are you okay? Are you okay? What's wrong? Are you okay? Are you okay? Ouch! My leg hurts. Ouch! My leg hurts. Are you okay? Are you okay? Ouch! I think so. Oh, I think so. Yes, I think so. Thanks. D. Listen and say, then act. 1. Leg. Ouch! What's wrong? My leg hurts. 2. Hand. Ouch! What's wrong? My hand hurts. 3. Finger. Ouch! What's wrong? My finger hurts. Are you okay? Okay, goodbye.